Hi, here's a quick video about unboxing of this shaver that I have purchased recently. I haven't since then opened it because I have a shaver, although a cheaper one. I purchased a Philips Norelco after using a Philips Norelco product for over like 8 or 9 years. Which finally the motor, the engine or whatever it is inside was making stupid noises. I purchased that product, not this one, a superior one. This is AT620, whereas that one was AT810 or 820, something like that, but 8 series. After using it for several months, it stopped working. And turns out that this water, resistant shaver wasn't really water resistant. Here it says that you can do both wet and regular dry shaving. But it also for that one said it was immersible. I didn't directly immerse in water, but I actually washed it water, and after several months, turns out water leaked, and this caused the shaver to stop working. And unfortunately, I was in a different country, so the insurance wasn't available. Now I purchased this inferior version, and this time I'm not going to use it for not just for wet shaving, which I didn't do anyway, but I'm not even going to clean this underwater. I would be very hesitant to do that again with any shaver. Unfortunately, this type of shavers are made majorly by Philips Norelco, so I ended up having the same brand. So hopefully for this time I will be luckier. Now, even though this says that it is again used for dry and wet shaving, I'm not going to use any wet shaving for that. The other thing is there was an inferior version, AT620, this is, but AT610, and that one did not have a pop-up trimmer. So this one comes with a pop-up trimmer. Pretty much everything else is the same. About 10 hours charging, which is insanely high, and only for 30 minutes of usage. These come with nickel batteries, nickel metal hydride or something like that. In other words, they are not lithium-ion batteries, and therefore you have to charge them a long time. Lithium-ion battery containing shavers are costlier, and I didn't want to purchase something costlier just because it might not be worth it. So here I'm just opening this. I have this user manual, which is there for all these 3 different versions of it. And what's this? This is also a user manual, so I assume these are different languages. Let me check. Again, I'm doing it for the first time. Yes, there are Chinese and whatnot language here. Let me open this one. Does it start with a different one? Yeah, I think this is the one that I might be able to understand if there's an English inside. So here's a quick guide about how to shave it. So okay, this is probably not water immersible. It immediately has this sign. The one that broke had actually a faucet sign on it, whereas in this case it is crossed, so I assume this is less durable than that. Other than that, the mechanisms with the pop-up trimming and the blades are pretty much the same, and apparently you are required or asked to replace the blades every 2 years. I have never done that, and I have used the same blades for over 8 or 9 years for my initial one, which was okay. So it wasn't, if it weren't making those weird sounds, I wouldn't have changed it. So here are instructions, and specifically for AT621 and 620, there is the cleaning of the trimmer, which has the trimmer. I do not know what 621 has over 620. It might be maybe even a color change, or maybe something small, but I cannot understand this just from that. Anyway, I can check this later on, I guess. So let me just put it aside for now. What's this? Is this a certificate for warranty? I guess, yeah, it should be. Come in. Get in. Oh, no.